Ew, take it away. It's so scary.
Well, it's scary for Halloween.
Oh,
Look.
stop, Max. Max, you want to scare me with the spider? I'll get you back.
To scare Max, first split the styrofoam ball in half. Now, time to make the balls of yarn. Then, glue them onto the styrofoam ball. Attach the head. Time for the legs. Attach it to the body, then bend the legs. Last, use red hot glue as the eyes. It's moving! How creepy!
Let's scare Max with this big spider.
Huh? Oh my gosh, it's a giant spider!
Max, I'll get you!
No, get away! No, go away, spider!
You're scared of spiders too, Max.
Oh, what do you mean? That's a fake spider? What are you doing, Lily?
I did it because you scared me with a real spider. Now stop scaring me.
Sorry, but this is a cool spider. How'd you make it?
It's super easy. I'll show you later.
Lily, help me!
Max, are you okay? Let me call 911.
Lily, I got you!
Oh, Max, you trolled me?
Happy Halloween!
Oh, Max always trolls me.
It's so easy to scare Lily.
Max, you want to scare me? I'll get you back.
Let's prank Max. First, paint a doll white. Then, carefully color with gray and red paint. Now, paint the eyes. Next, the black veins. Hang up the doll and you can scare anyone.
Now, time to scare Max. Shh. Max, can you come help me?
Huh? Okay, Lily, coming. What did you need, Lily?
I got you back.
Are you serious, Lily? This is so creepy.
You should have seen yourself. That's what you get for scaring me.
Cockroaches and spiders are perfect for Halloween food. Oh, Lily's gonna love this. Hey, Lily, I brought the whoa. Oh no.
Oh my, are you okay, Max?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I dropped all the snacks. I've spent all day making it.
What? You took all day making this? You just put insects in it.
Yeah, it took all day. You know how hard it is to make spooky food?
I can make it in less than 10 minutes. Let me show you.
Time to make spooky food. Wrap a skull in plastic wrap. Then, cover it with prosciutto. Cut slots and add green olives as the eyes. Fill it up with more snacks and it's all ready.
Alright, Max, how does it look?
Wow, that looks so spooky. You're so talented, Lily.
No, this is really easy to make. Where's your costume?
Oh no, I forgot.
Max is never ready for Halloween.
I could use this for my Halloween DIY decoration.
Hey Stacy, have you seen my Halloween lamp? Stacy, what are you doing with my lamp? I need it to decorate for my party tonight.
Oops, sorry, I didn't think you would use it. I was using it for my DIY.
So what am I gonna use for my lights tonight? What am I gonna do?
Don't worry. I know what to do. Just give me 1 second. To make a new light, remove the front of a skull. Then cover with school glue and glitter. Take a toilet paper roll and paint. Put the skull on top. Paint the top of a candle and glue it to the roll. Cover the edges with black hot glue. How spooky!
What do you think of these spooky candles, Lily? Can I trade it for your lamp?
Whoa, they look so cool. Yeah, we can trade.
Yes!
Next time, ask me if you need my stuff.
Sorry, okay.
What do you think of my Halloween decoration, Lily?
Are you kidding? This flower's gonna ruin all our decorations.
What do you mean? It looks pretty.
Yeah, that's the problem. We need scary,
Oh man, I didn't think about that. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, I got you.
Take a scary picture and cut off the edges. Then place the picture onto a frame. Flip it over and spray with looking glass spray. Put the cover back on and now you have a creepy mirror.
So how does it look, Max?
Oh, it looks so scary.
I know, right?
You're so creative, Lily.
Stop, I know, you don't have to say that.
Oh, I think the house is ready for Halloween. Let everybody know.
Okay. Hey guys, the house is ready.
Max, wake up!
What are you doing here? Why are you wearing a costume, Stacy?
Are you kidding me? You invited me to come to the Halloween party. Where are your decorations?
Oh no, I didn't finish anything. The party's gonna start in 15 minutes. What am I gonna do?
Seriously, Max? Okay, let me help you.
To make some scary decorations, first paint the basket. Now cut off the edge. Place a creature in there and glue on top. Next, add a handle. Then the chain. And done.
Alright, so how does it look, Max?
I can't believe it. You're so smart, Stacy.
Oh, thanks, Max, but change your costume. The party's gonna start.
Emergency makeup ideas for Halloween. Hi, Amy. Get ready. First, paint your eye bags white. Then apply eyeliner and outline the edges. Add false eyelashes. Use eyeliner to draw fake bottom lashes. Be generous with the blush and apply it all over your cheeks. And don't forget the freckles. Draw lips using paint. Use black face paint to draw a big hole. Now draw cracks coming from the hole. Don't be afraid to be creative and draw cracks all over the face. Apply white paint for more dimension. With parchment paper, create teardrops with red hot glue. Use eyelash glue to put it on. Finally, add fake blood. Amy, you don't even look human anymore. Ready for a makeover, Tony? Start by applying eyeshadow around your eyes. Make sure you blend it out. Now take parchment paper and add hot glue drops. Apply concealer and blend. Now add yellow eyeshadow to make them look like blisters. Take the drops and apply with eyelash glue. Apply it in batches around your face. Then add red eyeshadow around the blisters to make it look more realistic. Take black eyeshadow and draw veins coming from the blisters. Put non-toxic glue onto a sponge and apply around the mouth. Put a tissue on top. Add more glue on top and another layer of tissue. Add glue around the nose. Then apply a small strip of tissue over the nose area. Use a blow dryer to make the drying process faster. Put on foundation. Then poke a hole and split it to make it look like the skin is peeling. Take black face paint and apply it to the mouth area in the tissue. Paint the insides of the tissue red. Add blood for a spooky effect. Now apply liquid blood to cover the edges of the tissue. Apply around the blisters. He looks like he's straight out of an apocalypse. say hi to Max. Are you ready? First, apply white face paint all over your face. Then, use blue eyeshadow and draw triangles over and under the eyes. Blend with a darker blue. Use black for the nose, then blend with red. Add the wrinkles, then contour. Don't forget the coconut oil and apply onto the hands. Put the scar wax on to extend the mouth. Blend out the wax. Apply face powder and paint white. Use red eyeshadow and color. With a pencil, make a slit in the wax. Color the slit with red face paint and add scab blood. Paint the lips and add a bit of fake blood. What a creepy smile! Hey Stacy, are you ready? Start by adding fake eyelashes. Cover the hands with coconut oil to prevent the wax from sticking. Apply scar wax to split the face in half. Cover the wax with powder and foundation to match the shade of the skin. Paint half of the face white. Then, color the eyes black and use eyeshadow to blend. Then, use the eyeshadow to draw a jawline. Switch to black paint and draw up the teeth. Make the teeth brighter by coloring them white. Blend out the edges. Apply red eyeshadow onto the wax and use a pencil to make a slit down the middle. Add red eyeshadow in the cut, then the scab blood for a scarier effect. Dab on some liquid blood onto the cut. A Grim Reaper? You look out of this world! Hi Lily, let's start this makeover with face paint. Color the upper portion of the face blue. Then cover the upper forehead with purple. And draw lines coming from the forehead. With the wig cap, apply eyeshadow for the scales. Now draw the jaw. Color it black. Time for the sharp teeth. Use white face paint to draw the teeth and use black paint to separate them. Don't forget the lower mouth. Outline the jaw with blue. Apply eyelash glue to black gems and add them to the forehead. Add more scales. Ready for Lily's look? Lily looks like she belongs in the ocean.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our Halloween video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!